Okay, what are we having for dinner this time? Butterfly again? No, let's go for something larger, tastier, more filling. Hey, buddy, how's it going? I told you we'd meet again. I'm in no hurry. I have all day. 2,523, 2,524, 2,525. I got you. Looking for something? Looks like you came to the wrong place. Hey, it's 6 in the morning. Do you mind making noise somewhere else? I'm talking to you. Come over here. Come here a minute. I'd like to ask you something nicely. Get out of here. Now, let's go, you too.